Car just came to take off. No, no, the car is gonna drive into the gas station. Okay. That is legally not allowed in the state of California. Okay. This guy also forgot that he's missing a wheel. Are these people just... Oh my goodness. Are these people just driving around and going like... Yep. There he is. Gets in his car. Oh, no, never mind. Now here, we have the world's best truck driver. Oh, yeah. That's why you should be driving a Tesla truck, guys. Oh no, somebody's just... Oh, hey, please stop. Nope, nope, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Oh, boy. This truck. Sir, man. There. Oh, what? Just how... Oh, yeah, oh my goodness. And then now we have this guy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, this guy, oh my goodness. It actually... No, okay, he's not. Hey. Hello there, my friend. This guy opens his door. Oh, no, the truck. Oh, and pulls out a rocket launcher. Really? What? What is happening here? What is happening? Oh, here it is. Here it is in my life. That's a nice Mercedes on the left there. And this guy... Okay, so here in real life, we got the guy doing cartwheels. He's going underneath the car. He's gonna do some more car... Oh, Justin! But in real life, on the other end, any might happen here. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Don't! No! Oh, my God. Now here, the jet ski in real life. Oh, my. Are you kidding me? No, it's an inexperienced truck driver over here, too. Oh, oh. It's taking the car with him. Oh. Is actually taking the car with him. Oh, my car with him. No, he doesn't want to keep on biking. Oh, no, he broke the... Now we have the car doing this here in the south of Italy. Actually, don't know where this is. But he's doing really good. He's doing surprisingly well. I don't know how he's doing it so amazingly well. No way. Now we have a guy here driving on the train tracks. No, you're joking. You think this is GTA 5? Oh my God. Get out of the car right now. Now here in real life. Oh. Now here in real life. This looks like the Netherlands. Yeah, it is probably friend. Oh no, oh no. Oh, good job, guys. Hey, boat versus system. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh, and then this guy also messed up. Somebody's actually gonna do the same thing. This is terrifying. This is scary. Okay. Oh my goodness, no. Did he just really jump out? We have this guy. This guy is going crazy.